Welcome to Detroit, Maine, a small, resilient town that has completely avoided the population collapse that so many other small towns have succumbed to. In fact, Detroit hasn't stopped growing since the 1930s. How many folks live here, you ask? 885 hardy souls call this home. Let's talk about pronunciation. Maine natives often have a different pronunciation to our towns, such as Calais, Sanagat, Vienna, Stoneham, and Vesey, to name a few. This is Detroit. You want to go to Michigan? You can go to Detroit. Here, this is Detroit. Now, Detroit is a small town located in Somerset County, situated in the heart of the state. Detroit offers a charming and picturesque setting for residents and visitors alike. Known for its natural beauty and friendly community, this town has much to offer those seeking a peaceful retreat and a close-knit community to call home. Detroit is located directly east of Pittsfield and directly south of Newport. What great neighbors. In fact, Detroit is perfectly situated as a bedroom community even to Waterville, which is just over a half hour away, and Bangor, which is just over 40 minutes in the other direction. Nestled amongst these beautiful rolling hills and surrounded by forest, Detroit provides ample opportunities for outdoor recreation, from hiking trails to fishing spots. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to explore in the scenic area. The nearby Great Moose Lake offers boating and swimming options during the warmer months, while winter brings opportunity for snowmobiling and skiing. In addition to its natural beauty and sense of community, Detroit also offers convenient access to amenities and services. Nearby towns provide shopping centers, restaurants, healthcare facilities, and educational institutions that cater to the needs of the residents. If you're into kayaking, canoeing, or fishing, the Sebasticook River is known for its abundant fish population, making it a haven for fishing enthusiasts. Anglers can try their luck at catching various species such as smallmouth bass, trout, and pickerel. Whether you are an experienced angler or a novice looking to cast your first line, the Sebasticook River offers an ideal setting to enjoy this relaxing pastime. In addition to fishing, the Sebasticook is also a popular destination for kayaking enthusiasts. With its calm waters and scenic surroundings, kayakers can explore the river's meandering paths while immersing themselves in nature's beauty. Paddling along the river allows visitors to witness stunning wildlife and enjoy peaceful moments amidst the serene landscapes. Doesn't that sound lovely? Now, in the winter, you'd be interested to know about the Detroit Night Drifters Snowmobile Club, which is a prominent organization in the snowmobiling community. Based here in Detroit, this club is dedicated to promoting and preserving the sport of snowmobiling in the region. The club plays an active role in maintaining and grooming local trails, ensuring safe and enjoyable riding experiences for its members. Through regular trail maintenance efforts, the Night Drifters Snowmobile Club contributes to the overall safety and sustainability of snowmobiling in the area. Did you know that Maine has over 10,000 miles of snowmobile trails? It's true. Additionally, the club serves as a platform for connecting like-minded individuals who share a passion for snowmobiling. It fosters a sense of camaraderie among members through various activities such as club meetings, fundraisers, and community outreach initiatives. Whether you are an experienced rider or new to the sport, joining the club provides an opportunity to connect with fellow enthusiasts while enjoying all that snowmobiling has to offer. Whether you are looking for a peaceful getaway or considering relocating to a friendly community in Maine, Detroit offers a serene setting with ample recreational opportunities. Its picturesque landscapes, combined with a strong sense of community, make it an appealing destination worthy of exploring. Now, here's a question for you. Do you want to see more videos like this? Well then, please hit the subscribe and the like buttons, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.